The proper level of humidity in your home is fundamental as it will keep you comfortable and healthy all the time. In addition to that, you won't have to deal with dangerous mold and mildew. As a result, you will be able to protect your wooden and expensive furniture, walls, books, and even your electronic devices. If you want to avoid excessive humidity or moisture, it is highly recommended that you invest in a high-quality dehumidifier. There are many products available to choose from best budget-friendly dehumidifiers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best budget-friendly dehumidifiers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. TOSOT 20 Pint Energy Star Dehumidifier. The TOSOT 20 Pint Dehumidifier is a reliable and convenient device for keeping your home's air quality comfortable. It offers two modes of operation: target and continuous, which allow you to set the desired humidity level, or keep the humidity in a damp room at a constant level. With a capacity of up to 20 pints per 24 hours, this dehumidifier is ideal for spaces up to 1,500 square feet. The TOSOT 20 Pint Dehumidifier is portable, quiet, and easy to use. The display light on the dehumidifier is bright and located on the top, making it easy to monitor the humidity level. The power outage restart function allows the dehumidifier to turn back on with the previously set settings automatically when power is restored. The washable air filter is easy to remove, so you can take it off to clean when needed. The price is good for the TOSOT 20 Pint Dehumidifier, and is comparable to most similar units on the market. Plus, the company's customer service is excellent, so you can trust that your purchase will be well taken care of. Number 2. Amazon Basics 22 Pint Energy Star Dehumidifier. The Amazon Basics 22 Pint Dehumidifier is a great choice for any home or office in need of an energy-efficient and reliable dehumidifier. This product is Energy Star certified, making it an economical choice for those looking to keep their energy bills low. It is capable of removing up to 22 pints of water from the air per day, making it suitable for areas up to 1,000 square feet. The unit is quiet and easy to operate, with a digital display allowing you to easily monitor the humidity level and set your desired humidity level. The product also features a built-in timer that allows you to set the unit to automatically turn on and off at specific times. Many users also find that the product's design is both attractive and unobtrusive. Additionally, Amazon Basics offers a price match guarantee, so you can rest assured that you're getting the best price possible on this dehumidifier. Number 3. GE 22 Pint Energy Star Portable Dehumidifier. The GE 22 Pint Energy Star Portable Dehumidifier can remove up to 22 pints of moisture per day, and is a powerful, efficient and convenient solution for controlling the humidity of your living space. It is perfect for bedrooms, basements, garages, or any other room up to 1,500 square feet. The dehumidifier features an empty bucket alert and clean filter alert, making it easy to maintain and keep running at peak performance. A convenient continuous draining option allows you to connect a hose to the unit so that collected moisture can be drained away without emptying the bucket. The Energy Star rating ensures that this dehumidifier is energy efficient and will save you money on your energy bill. The dehumidifier is easy to use with a simple electronic control panel, allowing you to adjust the settings to suit your needs. Number 4. Crane Compact Dehumidifier. The Crane Dehumidifier is a great product for those struggling with moisture issues in their home. Its small size makes it ideal for use in tight spaces, while its quiet operation ensures minimal disruption. This dehumidifier can reduce humidity levels in rooms up to 300 square feet, and its antimicrobial material prevents mold and mildew from growing inside the water bucket. The energy-efficient compressor and fan system ensures that the unit runs efficiently and economically. Additionally, this dehumidifier includes a built-in auto shut-off, timer, and a removable water tank, making maintenance hassle-free and convenient. The Crane Dehumidifier has some great benefits, but there are some potential drawbacks as well. Its small size limits its ability to handle medium to large rooms or multiple rooms at the same time, and a water tank must be emptied frequently. Number 5. Pure Guardian DH201WCA Small Room Dehumidifier. The Pure Guardian DH201WCA Small Room Dehumidifier is an excellent choice for anyone looking to remove humidity from a small space. This dehumidifier is user-friendly and easy to transport due to its compact size. This model is small, measuring only 14 inches tall, 8 inches wide and 5 inches deep, yet it can still hold up to 6 cups of water in its reservoir. The unit is easy to use. You just plug it in, place it 1 foot away from walls and furniture, and leave it running. The cord is long enough so you can place it a fair distance from any outlet. Despite the fact that it has a capacity of about 6 cups, with our small space, it hasn't filled up yet. When we run it continuously in our RV for the test, it accumulates approximately a half cup of water per day. When the reservoir is full, the little green circle on the front of the unit turns red, indicating that it needs to be emptied. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.